Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to explain how to move a Trello card to a different board. So here's how it works. First, open the board that currently contains the card you want to move. And once you're on that board, you want to look through the lists until you find the card you want. So let's say this one. Click on it to open the card's detailed view, and inside, you want to click the three-dot option and look for the option labeled Move. Click that. Now, this opens a special menu that controls the card's new destination. You want to start by selecting the new board. So it's going to this board. There we go. And after picking the board, move down to the list drop down to choose which list on that board the card should go into. So let's say this one. There we go. Next, you'll also be able to choose the position of the card within that list. It may seem small, but choosing the right position helps you keep your workflow organized exactly the way you liked it. And when everything looks right, board, list, and position, simply click Move. And that's it. Your Trello card has officially found its new home. Check, just go ahead and switch board. There we go. And you're all set. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks!